Welcome back to Brilliance, your go-to channel for all things health-related. Today, we're diving deep into a common everyday activity: drinking water. We all do it, but are you making some common mistakes that could harm your health? Stick around till the end, where we will reveal a surprising fact about bottled water you probably didn't know. Ready for some life-changing knowledge? Let's go. We all know that water is vital to our survival. After all, our bodies are 60% water, and it plays a crucial role in almost every bodily function. But what if I told you that you might be making common mistakes with water that could be harming instead of aiding your health? Intrigued? Well, let's uncover the truth together. Mistake number 1. Not drinking enough water. Sounds simple, right? Yet, many of us fall into the trap of substituting water with other beverages like coffee, soda, or energy drinks. These might quench your thirst momentarily, but in reality, they can lead to dehydration. So, next time you're feeling thirsty, reach for that glass of water first. Sign number 2. You're constantly thirsty even after drinking water. If you drink plenty of water but still feel parched, it might be a sign of a deeper issue, such as diabetes. Constant thirst could be your body's way of telling you something is wrong. Don't ignore this sign. Consult your doctor if this is a regular occurrence. Mistake number 3. Relying solely on bottled water. Yes, it's convenient, especially when you're on the go. But did you know that some bottled water may contain harmful substances from the plastic? Shocked? Stay with us. We will dive deeper into this topic later. Our 4th point is drinking water right after meals. It's a common habit, but it can disrupt digestion. Space out your water intake and meals for optimal digestion and absorption of nutrients. Drinking water half an hour before or after meals is a better practice. 5th on our list, ignoring the quality of your water. Do you know where your water comes from? It's not just about purity. It's about the mineral content too. Are you getting the necessary minerals from your water? If not, it might be time to reevaluate your water source. Finally, the 6th sign is using water as a meal replacement. It's a common mistake in dieting to replace meals with water, but doing so can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health complications. Remember, water is vital, but it cannot replace the necessary nutrients provided by food. Now, coming back to bottled water. It's handy, no doubt, but studies have shown that chemicals from the plastic can leach into the water, especially if exposed to heat. So, you might be unknowingly exposing your body to harmful substances. Consider opting for glass or stainless steel bottles instead. I hope you found these points eye-opening. Remember, water is our life force, but how we consume it can make a difference in our health. Don't ignore these signs. Your body will thank you. That's all from us today, dear Brilliance family. We hope we shed some light on this everyday activity. Keep drinking water, but remember to do it the right way. Stay brilliant, stay healthy.